All right, we are going to do some more examples from 5-9 factoring pattern for ax squared plus bx plus c. Now I like example, I'm going to skip to example 3 because they mix it up here. So you need to recognize that the format is irregular. It's out of order, right? Okay, so I'm actually going to put it in correct order. This is completely backwards. So I'm going to have my my negative 6x squared in the front plus squared plus 11x plus 10. Now, when that leading coefficient is negative, you have to factor it out. That means you're going to divide everything by a -1 so that this can be positive. Okay, so in other words, all the signs are just going to flip to the opposite. Okay, so then I end up with positive 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. Okay, now I multiply 6 times -10, and that equals -60. What are all the factors of -60? I'm just gonna kind of take a shortcut and just do like what equals positive 60. Okay, so 10 times 6, 15 times 4, 60 times 1, 12 times 5. Okay, those are all the factor pairs of -60. Now, which of these, and we're going to play with the signs, positive, negative, when I add them, it needs to equal -11. And I'm looking at this positive, -15. -15 and a +4. And when I add that up, it's going to give me that -11x. So those are the terms that I'm going to use to split up this -11x. And then I'm also looking, well, am I going to put the 15 with the 6x squared, or is he going to go better with the 10 and the 4 with the 6 or 4 with the 10? Okay, 6x squared. Well, I want to put 6 with 4 because that's going to factor nicely. And then minus 15x minus 10. 15 with the x, and I can factor out that 5. Okay, split it in 2. So I'm going to factor out, greatest common factor is 2x. Six x squared divided by 2x is 3x. And 4x divided by 2x is simply 2. Okay, and you just copy that minus down. Greatest common factor is 5, right? And 15x divided by a -5 is, sorry, -15x. -15x divided by -5 is just 3x, right? So 3x. And then -10 divided by a -5 is a +2. All right, I got my identical twins. Okay, and then the 2x minus 5 constitutes the second factor. So one factor, two factors. So 2x minus 5 times 3x plus 2. And that is the final factored form.